Intro.
Introduction. Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Caring Electricals and Electronics Engineering. Today, we're diving into the basics of electronics. In this video, we'll learn how to test a resistor to ensure it's doing its job correctly. Whether you're a beginner or need a quick refresher, this one's for you. But first, subscribe. Let's begin. Step 1. Introduction to resistors. First things first, let's quickly recap what resistors are. They're electronic components that limit the flow of electric current in a circuit. Testing them is crucial to ensure your circuits work as intended. Step 2. Gather your tools. Before we begin, make sure you have a multimeter. It's an essential tool for electronics enthusiasts. If you don't have one, consider getting one. It's a game changer. Did you have it now? Step 3. Setting up the multimeter. Now, let's set up our multimeter. Switch it to the resistance or ohm setting. If you're unsure, consult your multimeter's manual. Are you done with? Let's go to Step 4. Step 4. Identify resistor value. Take a look at your resistor. The color bands indicate its resistance value. You can use online calculators or refer to a resistor color code chart to decode these bands. Have you found it? That's good, because we are going to Step 5. Step 5. Testing. Place the resistor leads on the multimeter probes. It doesn't matter which lead goes where. The multimeter will display the resistance value. Compare this with the expected value based on the color bands. Are you done with the testing? If you are not done, you can push this video, because we are waiting for you. But if you are done, let's go to Step 6. Step 6. Interpret the results. If the measured value matches the expected value, great. Your resistor is in good shape. If not, it may be faulty or drifted in value. Consider replacing it. I hope you have a great time with me. If you do, please subscribe and like now. Go to the final part and is important for me. And there you have it. Testing a resistor is a fundamental skill in electronics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and happy experimenting.